go in the boat late next time. Hold my hands, please. Woodland. 10 years old and Alisa 8 years old. Then you can go, both of you together.
Oh, me, Lisa.
Hi everyone, Tita Grandma. Hi Tita Grandma sa. Lisa. Haircut. Alina, only Alina say hi Tita Grandma. Alina, good girl. Alisa naughty. Afternoon mga kachika, magli-lipstick lang tayo. Kalimutan ko pala mag-lipstick. Itim-itim, nagbarat ako kagabi ng eggplant kasi naggawa ako ng salad. Pula lang lipstick natin to kasi pula yung ating damit. Antay lang kami kay Mr. mga kachika. Nandito na pala. Nag-toilet kasi yun siya. Alauna na pala ng hapon. Lagyan natin ng pakintab. Konti lang naman. Hello. Thank you. Nagbisi ako. Kasi nagpunta na yung agent kayo na ba nag-inspection sa bahay. So tamang-tama na inspection na. Kasi, uy! Phone eh. May phone eh. Kaya, sabi niya na ano daw na yung wala daw plumber, yung plumber na pumupunta dyan sa bahay na nag-aayos pag may kailangan ayusin, wala daw naka-holiday daw for 1 week. Kaya sabi niya na maghanap daw sila ng ibang plumber para maayos na yung yung nasira ba. Yun yung sabi niya. So sana maayos na soon para paano na tayo makaligo ng maayos. Mainit pa naman yung panahon.
Should we trade it in? Or get out?
What's that, Daddy?
I don't know. Fan, I think. Something's stuck. I think there's some paper down there. Something's down there. Paper or something. It's the fan. Maybe. I don't know what it is.
Hi, Mama.
Hi. How's Alisa?
Good.
Good. Wow, 27 degrees. Ano ngayon mga kachika yung heat wave today? Kaya sayang naman, day off ko kasi today and tomorrow ko. Sayang naman kung mag-stay lang kami sa bahay. Tapos bukas uulan. Na ferry mga kachika, but different ferry. Mas yung malaki yung sasakyan namin today.
Excuse me.
Kasi yung maliit nandoon yung banda, yung maliit eh. Is there?
Is it leaving?
Loading from that side. Not leaving yet.
Oh, it's coming over, you mean?
Yeah, coming over. Ayan yung ferry. That
That's
one.
the one there.
Yeah, that one. So mag-antay kami na makabalik yan dito tapos sasakyan namin.
Can I take off my belt?
Yeah.
No,
That-
well you can. Yeah, okay.
Yeah.
You can.
Oh, I'm stuck. Oh, the dance!
Yeah, it's coming now. Papunta na dito, mga kachika, yung ferry.
Mom, where are we waiting?
Waiting for the ferry.
Oh,
There's an ambulance there flashing.
Yeah, there's an ambulance.
where are we waiting?
Oh.
Is that the best place?
Mama,
Is that the best thing you do?
Where are we waiting?
Go on the ferry.
We have wait for
Yeah.
the car.
Is that the best? Surely the road would be better. Go. I don't know.
Maybe this way here, because it's much quicker to go there. If you
I
go
saw
round and round.
something in the airport. It's really fun. Or you wait.
May iba din namang way pupunta ka dito, sasakay. Pero hindi nga, yun nga, hindi mo kailangan mag-ferry. Kaso nga lang, kay mas malayo siya. Gaya last time yung
Mom,
sinakyan
where are
namin
we waiting?
noong
Mom,
Go
where
on
are we
the ferry.
waiting?
we're gonna go waiting for the ferry B.
Oh,
Nagpunta kami ng country park, mga kachika, country club, yung birthday ni Alina. Hindi kami dumaan dito noon eh. Pero dumaan kami nung pauwi na.
There.
Yes, that's it.
Kasi akala namin mas madali pag doon kami pupunta sa boarding. It's not so bad dali no. Usually it's always busy here.
Yeah.
Oh, the trains go here.
Ganyan. So nice here. Dartmouth. Call it Dartmouth.
I think that's deep.
The train goes that way.
Ew, seaweed. What is big? Ew,
It's a big one, yeah.
wow.
Big ferry.
Yeah. Give me your return, please.
There's a day return.
Yeah. Yeah.
That's 15.50. The last one is 11:15 this evening.
All right. Thank you.
Yep. I'll give you a seat now.
Yeah.
Just show us that. Just show us that when you come back.
Yeah, yeah.
And like I said, the last one's 11:15.
Yeah. No problem. Thank you.
50.
Bloody hell. Back to the other one.
The other one is 11 pounds.
Return.
Mm.
Wow. Oh well.
Yeah, because this is much more expensive.
Huh?
15 pounds 50. Mahal, mahal.
Crazy. Huh?
Mm. Mikalina, pag-drink mag-water. Yeah, we're gonna go on the boat late next time.
We're here, we're here, we're here. We're here. Here, here, here. Here,
Look, it look like it's limping, Daddy.
What?
That one, Alina, so.
Oh yeah. Limping. No, they do walk funny.
Uh,
Oh, to go there.
that one.
You're going there, yeah. Yeah. Go there.
To
Yeah.
go. Wow.
We'll
I
go
want
there.
to go,
Go
there
park
with
first.
Mama.
Mhm.
We can go everywhere. We're gonna go everywhere. You
Oh,
can go
busy, I don't think.
Hold it. Radisa, where are you going?
Oh, really got one. Okay, where are you going?
You shouldn't do that. Run around the parking lot. I've said this before. Shouldn't do that.
Don't run, Elisa.
Wait.
Wait, Lisa.
I like you. You're excellent.
Dito kami sa Woodland Theme Park. The largest family theme park in Devon. Hold my hands, please. Woodland. Gonna go on this one.
Come on.
May mga animals din sila dito mga kachika. Llama, alpaca. Masyado man dumalo ko. Aray ko. I don't know. Aini. Yeah. Okay, kami ni Alisa, basang-basa din kami. Uy, ano ka, Alisa? Sumakay kami sa water slides, mga kachika. Kami,
The orange one.
yeah.
That's the best one.
Yeah, I say so. Put it so easy, so fun.
Yeah. No. Keep saying, Alisa, 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 Alisa. Don't move, Alisa. Pinabasa kami mga kachika, oh. Yung ano ko. Yan, basa. Basang basa.
That's so fun.
You want to go more in the slides?
Yeah. Yeah, I like it. Yeah, I saw my brother.
Make you what?
I like it.
You like it? We're gonna go on the orange one.
Yeah.
Yeah. Daddy take you and I take Alisa. The orange one is not so, it's not too
Wet.
too wet. Yeah, it won't make you wet.
I want to be wet.
Dapat nag-shorts na lang pala ako.
When that green and orange green, they make you so wet.
Yeah. But the orange, no. Only the green and the purple one.
Can I say get dry? Next time when we go
Yeah,
to
you
the orange one,
stay there where the
next time
sun
we go
is.
to the orange and the green one, I want to get soaking wet.
10 years old and Alisa 8 years old. Then you can go. Both of you together.
Or me, Lisa.
Oh, Alisa, come here.
Mama, I want to go to buy.
Dito tayo mga katsika, nilalamig ako kay basang-basa ako doon sa water slide kay ilang beses ako nagpabalik-balik doon kasi yung mga bata gustong-gusto pumunta doon. Yung kilay ko natatanggal na. Kaya nilalamig ako. Bumili ako ng cappuccino. Sabi ni Mr. nagbili ka ng hot drink kasi nilalamig ka daw. Cappuccino ayaw man niya. Hindi man yan siya mahilig. Binila ko na rin din ng mga bata yung ganito. Actually kumain na sila ng ice cream. Sabi ng Mr. bilhin mo din sila. Bumili na din ako nito. Price. Yan tayo mga katsika. Yung mga bata nandoon pa sa ano. Sa naglalaro ba? Ang pinakita ko. Alisa. Ketchup. Itong ketchup binibili. Nagugutom ako. Kasi nagpandesal lang ako kayo na. 2 pandesal at saka kape. Yun lang yung agahan at saka ano ko tanghalian. Masarap yung chips nila. In the backpack. Oh, pag itlog chips. I save that for you and Alisa.
See.
4:30 pa lang mga kachika. Ano pala sila dito magsasara? 6 o'clock. So we got a lot of time na 1.5 hour pa. Sige na. Ayaw sa. So you finish your chips and then we go. Good no? Is wet? No, you're dry now. Yeah, it's still soaking wet. Even my bra.
Only this was wet. Only this one is wet.
Yeah, I'm still inside. Okay, Alina's turn. Maliit lang naman siya mga kachika. Which way we're going? It's dinosaur trick. Or is a dinosaur there? What's up here? Oh, it's a play area as well. Play area.
Is this the one?
Ayan, sulong-solo nila dito kasi sila lang nandito eh. Okay, go. Oh! Oh! It sticks. It's you're wet, that's why.
Maybe slide on them. On Alina's. Slide on a jacket.
Dali isa!
Okay.
Go to the
Let's go to
big
that
slides.
one.
Oh.
Come on, Elisa.
Oh,
Hmm?
where's the swing that goes around, you said?
Just go straight there.
Over the swing. You
Oh.
sit in a chair.
Oh.
It goes,
Oh.
I know what you're talking about.
That one. Lisa, where are you going? Okay.
I'm not going to slide.
Alina, sick on the now. Alina, sick on the slide. Okay, you drive the car na lang, okay?
I always do that, Daddy. I always do that.
Yay!
Me too, Lily.
Okay, tara. Maganda pala dito mga kachika. First time namin magpunta dito eh. Ano pala, marami palang mga ganap-ganap dito. Yeah, we haven't been here.
I see this.
Yeah, marami silang mga pagganap-ganap dito.
The thing was closed.
Maganda. We'll be close soon.
Oh.
In 20 minutes.
Whole thing.
Whole place, yeah.
Huh? This place is like
Yeah.
a music thing.
Yeah. Sige.
Whoa. You didn't have fruits yet
Huh?
in your bag.
Yeah, we're gonna have the fruits when we get in the car.
Okay.
Okay, standard. I'm gonna susunduin ko si Alina dito sa nandun. Kakahuyan dito mga kachika ba. Kumay, andoon si Alina. Kaya sumakay siya sa may yung slides ba. Pero siya lang kasi si Elisa ano pa, yung may limit sila. Gaano kataas. So si Elisa hindi umabot sa limit, nasa ano pa na siya 100. So kailangan 110. Baby, I'm here. I've got to go now. Magsi 6 o'clock na pala mga kachika ng gabi.
Because so much fun and I don't want to go.
Hmm?
It's fun because
It's fun here.
yeah, I don't want to go.
Okay, we stay here tonight.
Funny. Fine.
Yeah, we can go next time na swing. Tagal din kami dito. Mag 4 hours din. Solid din yung ano namin, yung binayad ba pagpunta dito ba.
When
Kasi
you talk, I'm gonna forget.
really enjoy
I'm gonna
the
forget
place.
now.
Hmm?
I'm gonna keep going and talking. Always, when we go to the clinic, we keep going to that swing.
Yeah.
I can't go.
Yeah, Alina, I can go easy.
Oh, it's a big jump. Oh,
Daddy, I can go easy.
Oh, yeah, Alina, yeah, you can do it.
Big jump. Back to the ferry mga kachika. Nalobat pa rin yung cellphone ko. Nag-charge muna ako kay lobat. Ang daming soup mga kachika.
You didn't taste it.
No.
Why not?
Mister kasi gumawa niyan.
You give it a chewy. I've tasted it. It's more salt. Don't put any salt in it.
It's good. Good. Yan yung lahat inano niya. Drainain ko mga kachika para yung sabaw pumunta. Hiwalay namin sabaw at saka yung meat kasi yung halo namin yan siya. Ma-absorb ng meat yung sabaw. So ayan. Yung mga bata nandun na kumakain na pala sa living room. Kasi late na mga kachika. Late na kami nakarating dito sa bahay. Mga 7:30 na kami nakarating. So ayan siya. Papalimigin muna yun bago namin ilalagay sa fridge. Nagluto na din pala ako ng rice ni Mister. Natagalan kami pag uwi mga kachika, kayo mga bata parang ayaw na umuwi. Kahit close na yung doon, alas 6 na doon pa din kami. Nakaalis kami doon mga 6. I said we left there 6:20 kasi Alisa don't wanna go home yet.
No,
Wanna stay there.
no.
Tapos dumaan pa kami kaya nag-happy meal kaya ako ay nagugutom.
Never done that before.
Oh yeah.
What?
She really had fun there.
No, she never was like that anywhere else. Huh?
She like it there.
Yeah, she does.
Gusto nila.
I'll take her again.
Ininom ko yung sabaw ng watermelon kasi binutas ni Alisa tapos maraming sabaw. Ginanyan ba? Pero hindi mo siya matamis mga kachika. Refreshing lang kasi galing sa fridge. Gusto ko din yung watermelon pag galing sa fridge. Si Mister naman ayaw niya yung frost na galing sa fridge. Gusto niya yung normal lang na lamig. Temperature pala. Pero pag galing sa fridge ayaw niya din. Hindi niya gaanong bet. Dahil yung watermelon talaga pag hindi siya matamis. Pero kahit sa atin, yung watermelon gusto talaga pag galing sa fridge. Ayaw ko yung dito lang tapon ko na to kaya hindi na makain na isa. Gayo si Mister ng nagluluto kami ng prawns. Ako kumain na ako, nagpansit ako mga kachika kasi may pansit pa ako na galing sa freezer. Tapos, di ba, pinaglalabas ko na yung sa freezer kasi nga, ako na defrost. Pinagkakain ko na yung mga galing sa freezer. Yung sinampay ko, alas 9 na pala ng gabi. Mag alas 9 na. Ano ba yung dumaan? Parang ang lakas ng ng tunog. Yan. Tuyo na yan, nagano na naman to. Dump. Ayan, pero pautopian ko na to mga kachika. Kasi natuyo na to. Yun nga, helicopter nga yung narinig ko. Ayan. Ito, malalanta na mga kachika. Tapos ito na, mulaklak na naman. Hindi talaga to naubusan. Pag may malanta, may tutubo na naman. I think naman itong isa, parang wala pang bagong tutubo eh. Kasi nag-start na din. Ito na naman. Mayroon na naman pala mga kachika. Tingnan nyo. May bago na naman siya.
We got no chili at all?
No, nothing.
Not even the red one?
That tiny one we got.
Alright.
You want that one?
Yeah, I'll do something.
Pero I think this one wala pang susunod nito eh. Mamaya namin mga kachika, magsasalad lang ako kasi nga nag-rice na ako kanina. Pagdating namin sa kapansit. So ayan, meron akong prawns. Mag-iinom tayo. Yan naman kay Mr. on diet.
Huh? Diet?